All right then. So in order to do the toast notifications, so I'm gonna bring this stunner. I think what is that? Sonar. This sonar notification, just like this. This is the alert notification that we are going to do. So in order to work with that, let me get into the root folder, and I'm going to create a new folder called providers. Providers, and here I'm going to create a new file called toast provider.tsx. Now for this, I'm going to make sure that is a client component and RAFC toast provider, and I'm going to return this toaster from the owner, which is provided by the shadcn itself. Okay. Then here I'm going to make sure this they should be rich in colors. Then the position that needs to be on the top right. Then class name. By default, it's going to be BG. I think styles at all, it's not necessary. This is what all I need. Now I need to get into the root providers here. Then I need to bring the toast provider as well as from the providers over here. Okay. And now let me get into the selections. So every time whenever I'm updating any users or deleting any users or making some changes on their role status, I need to update it. So toast dot message, open it. I need to supply the message first, which is going to be the success. Then I need to supply the description, what exactly it's happened. So user status updated successfully. Like just exactly the same way I have to do it over here as well as. And for the error as well as we need to write the toast dot error on updating the approval status, and here error on updating the block status. Let's check this out if it is working, everything is working fine. So let me change user to pending. There we go. See, success, user status updated successfully. And if I click approve, approved. If I click unblock, and if I click block, see, the notifications keep on coming properly and it is working perfectly as we expected. So we successfully finished the toast providers and all those things. Okay. And that is all about this particular part course, right? This basically this particular part course, we break it into two different parts, right? So this is all about the part one, right? Because this is a huge course. So we break it into the part by part. So, and I will show you how to push all those things into your GitHub, and let me check it out how they are working on the real server. Let me show you how to do that, and that is what we are going to do